Okay, welcome, my dear friends. Very good evening to all the participants and respected resource person, Dr. Ugandhar sir, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Government, Kakatiya Government College, Autonomous, Hanmakonda, Warangal. So, sir is going to explain in today's class, Rutaceae family especially. So, it is also called a citrus family. Most important family for the abundant source of the vitamin C and also useful ornamental and medicinal use these plants, especially Rutaceae. So, in this regard, we would like to invite Dr. Ugandhar sir. Please welcome and start your session, sir. Please welcome, sir. Ugandhar, sir. Please welcome, sir. Start your session.
Okay, sir. Only one of the student are attending this class. Please wait, sir.
So remaining students will join, sir. So they are joining. Please, you may proceed. Sir, proceed.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Proceed. Sir,
Okay, sir.
proceed.
So today we are discussing the citrus or Citraceae family or Rutaceae, which is a major vegetable and also important type of the citrus family. So please wait, sir. Sorry. The citrus, which is a Rutaceae family members, the classification of the kingdom or plant. So it is a order-wise Sapendalis family Rutaceae subfamily. So Aranadiaceae and a tribe of Citrae genus Citrus, which this plant is major C vitamin, also medicinally important plant. The character features of the Rutaceae, which is glandular leaves, also scented. The leaves are simple and compound flowers. Hermaphrodite means it can easily attracted to the insects with endomophilic type pollination. The hypogynous actinomorphic with a disc below the ovary. The disc is also secretes which glands or scented glands are present. The corolla polypetalous stamens are thin. So obliplo stemonous carpels are 5 are many ovary superior multi legular fruit capsule or berry fruits. Aromatic odor is present. This aromatic is important for preparation of the, let's say, some medicines and also perfumes, which is the major vegetative characters of the plant. The plants are generally shrubs Muria coniga. It is also called it is a major important vegetable, leafy vegetable plant. Also, limnia, xanthosxylum, trees, so eagle, citrus, furonia, rarely herbs, ruta, gravulonous, with strong fragrance. Also called a paramagneate is a shrub, but climb, so implying axillary thorns are present. So this is the common rutaceae plants, which are citrus species, important crops. The citrus lemon or lemon, also lemon plant. The citrus sinensis, sweet orange, citrus orangifolia, which is key line. The citrus reticulata, also called a mandarin, citrus aurantia, bitter orange, citrus maxima, also pomelo, citrus paradis, grapefruits, citrus medica, citron. Other rutaceae genera and species are eagle, marmolus, bale, muria, conigi, curry, leaf plant, which major plant that is also here is a different. The muria conia, orange jasmine, Xanthosxylum ormitum, toothache, tree, Indian pricky ash, Xanthosxylum americana, northern pricky ash. Also, root gravelins, common medicinal important plant. The Todelia asiatica, orange climber, medicinal use. Then Clausia ansia, artswood plant. Then Clausia exogos, pink time berry. Then Glycosmis pentaphylla, orange berry. Then Dictomus albus, boring fish. Also Ferunia liminia, wood apple, also elephant apple. It is a common plant which has a majorly medicinally use. So this is also what are the important of the characters. Then the vegetative character features of this plant, this family. Root, always all plants are root, taproot and branched, often also infected with a fungus. It is a one important character for the citrus family or a rutaceae. Stem, woody, citrus, fernuia, erect, also cylindrical, branched, solid, often thrown in. Citrus gland also dated. It is one carrot. Leaves, so alternate type of the leaves. Then each leaf is arranged in a node. Either side of the nodes, two leaves are present is alternate. Citrus and muria is alternate or opposite, also called Eudia. Also petulate. Petules are maybe, and you say winged, also called a citrus orange. The winged petule, the simple or a compound pinnate, Muriaconia leaves. Then palmate, pinnate leaves are Asia and are citrus plants. Citrus. The smooth gland, dotted glands with a resembles are oils, essentially oils glands are. Then fruit cover, the fruit upper layer and also leaves, every part of the plant which are dotted or essential oils are present. The margin, end area and serrated margins. Then also reticulate venation, citrus petiole is also winged. It is a one citrus petioles are winged leaf or it is a one important character. But what are the floral characters of the plant? This floral inflorescence. This inflorescence is a usually cyme or a axillary or a terminal carium, Muria conia or Muria panuculata. Then it is examples of the in the carium. Then sometimes are a racemose or a solitary flowers are present in this group of the family members. All flower. What are the important characters of the flowers are a pedicellate. Then also called ebratiate, hermaphrodite, or a unisexual Xanthono monozylus, Eudia, Ferunia. It is a character features of the unisexual actinomorphic, rarely or zygomorphic. The zygomorphic example is also Dictonus and also Korea. Then hypogynous, complete flowers. Then complete means the petals, sepals, androgen, gynation, essential and non-essential floral parts are completely present. That also pentamerous or tetramerous, Then the sepals and petals are a 5, sometimes are a 4, which are a 4 petals are character features of, they say, then acromythia, and also got a lateral flowers of a root. This is a flower important. These flowers are one examples of citrus lemon. This citrus lemon is also white color. Petals are 5 petals and sepals are also pentamerous flowers. So each flower is also this one. These flowers, which is a scented glandular, and also the style is also got a glands and a round shape. Stigma is a ovate. Stigma is a ovate. This is then characters of the removing of the petals and sepals. It is showing the only gynoecium are present in the flowers. So this is a what are the calyx. The calyx means the sepals, outermost layer, outermost part of the flowers. It is a non-essential. It can also participate in the flower production and protection and also pollination process. The sepals 5 or 4 free or fused in a zygomorphic. Flower is a becomes a in the gamosepalous and tubular. Also, imbricate estivation sometimes are deciduous flowers. It is a one character. Then corolla means also petals. The petals are beneath the sepals. The 4 or 5 petals are there. The petals are all is also polypetalous. Then also it is a really gamosepalous or gamopetals, Korea, the species. It is important for the say gamosepalous remaining all plants, all flowers are a polypetalous or the polypetals sometimes are absent in a xanthosylum. The various colored petals, which is attractive. The more number of the flowers is a white or brown color petals. Then it is a estivation is also imbricate. Then androecium, it is a essential parts of the flower. In majority of the cases, the stamens are a obdoplustominous and 10 in number. 9 plus 1 double didylabus. In a citrus, numerous stamens with a polydelaphus. Polydelaphus also condition in a xanthosylum, 3 stamens, and in a schimilla or 5 stamens, and those are intrus or dithecus and basifix are versatile. Basifix in some type of the flowers or sometimes are versatile. This is a character features of the endoecium. This endoecium is a male gamete. Male gametes are male parts of the say flower. It is also gynoecium. Then gynoecium is a female. The gynoecium, which are a pentacarpulary. 5 carpules are present. And sometimes are more multicarpulary and only slightly united at the base or the sides, forming a deeply lobed ovary with a fused styles. Originally from the center in citrus and udilla, the carpels are fully united. Carpules means it is a parts of the reproductive or female reproductive parts. These in the carpules, then seeds or ovules are present. In Feronia, the carpel is a only one-celled with many parietal placentation. In other genera, the placentation is of the axillary type. Typically, the ovary is superior with a prominent say, nectareous disc. This nectareous disc is important for the visiting of the flowers, sorry, visiting of the birds or insects from one flower to other flower for nectary. It whorls are so anatropous wheels. It is a one important of the gynoecium. After gynoecium, which can fertilize to become a fruit formation. This fruit is the gynoecium. Inside of gynoecium is ovary part. The ovary part is a completely fertilized. Or after fertilization, the part is also fruit. In so also called a flindo discoide. There is a septidal or a loculocidal caps in a so tardaceae and so dupaceous fruit. Asperidium in citrus and berry in Muriaconia. Asperidium, which is a easily citrus lemon, citrus orange, citrus medico. All of the fruits are Asperidium fruits. These Asperidium fruits are multi-carpellary, multilegular fruit. This is important of the floral characters of this plant. But this is also the citrus, which the total figures of the family is also twin, also transfer section of the foot and the transfer section of the ovary and the longitudinal section of the anthers or androecium, which is also called a fruits are there. These fruits are the different fruits of the colors are present. But this is but the seeds are endospermic or exobiums. So pollination is a endomophilous. It is important that insects are attracted by the colored petals. The nectar is secreted by the disc is easily available in the ovary part. The flowers are protandrous or protandrous means androecium is mature then gynoecium. It can definitely cross pollination takes place. Then so this is the root here. The stamens arise successfully into the center of the flower and after shading the pollen grains without away the fall back again. It is a one character for arrangement of the ovary on this plant. So the stigma now mature and it is a it if in a no insect visitor has some then the stamens are rises again and the pollen grains that still remain are once again shit without visiting of the insects. The stem, the stigma is not open, or not mature, or not secreted to the sucrose juice, and it is a definitely cross-pollinated plant. Remain or once again a shed over the stigma. Thus, cell pollination is a so-called affected the cell. So the floral formula, then bisexual, K means calyx or sepals, 4 to 5, corolla means petals, 4 to 5, endoecium 8 to 10, gynoecium 4 to 5, carpels, also pentacarpellary ovary. This is a simple characters of the floral formula. And so what this family is a majorly only economically important or more important. The floral formula of Rutaceae family, the Rutaceae family commonly called the citrus family. It is a characterized by the actinomorphic bisexual hypogynous flowers with distinct calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. That is a major important floral characters of the family. This floral also completed. Then explanation. What is the and the bisexual flower is a bisexual as both male and female parts. Then also actinomorphic radial symmetry. K45 means calyx with 4 or 5 fused sepals, rarely free. Fused and rarely free. That is fused means the both sides are brackets are there. 4-5 that throughout bracket that is a fuse. Then C 4-5 bracket. So corolla with a is 4 or 5 fused petals. This is the explanation. Then A means 8 to 10, and the 8 stamens are bundled and bunched or only one bundle. The androecium with the 8 to 10 stamens, when you say sometimes are polyandrous. Polyandrous means then more than one, and then 2 or 3 and anthers are stamens are bundles. The totally the more than say 3 bundles are there. That is also polyandrous. Then G is gynoecium 4 to 5, gynoecium of 4 or 5 fused carpels, superior ovary. This is a important explanation of the yes, a floral formula. with this is also the floral diagram. Then BR or BRL also called a five sepals also K5 and is least one C5. This is also there. The stamens are the totally 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stamens are there in center. Then also central is also called a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the pentacarpal ovary. This is also tetracarpal ovary. This is also bicarpal ovary. These carpels are number different. Then either side of the carpels are it is the stamens. The stamens are intruse. It is also showing the inside of the stamens are showing inside of the say carpels or inside of the ovary. This is important of the Rudia gravians, also tetradics, and also called Thymondapes. This Rutaceae family, the three families of the plants are floral diagrams are here. So what are the economic importance of the Rutaceae? The fruits, the genus citrus also provides several fruits. Citrus aurantia is a citric acid. It's a fruits and used to the bilus vomiting. The fruit wall is the essential oils. Then citrus is aurantia. One vernacular name is also bergamia. It is also the ripe fruit is a digestive and also tonic. The fruit will the gives oils of the bergamot. It is a one care. Citrus aurantia, vernacular name also called a bigardia. Citrus maxima, it can produce edible fruits. Citrus sinensis, also called it is a mushmimbi. The fruit is also widely used during a illness. It also called purified the blood reduces the thirst and also improve the appetites. Citrus reticulata. The citrus reticulata is a sandara or also called narangi. The right fruit is highly nutritious and rich in assimilable calcium. The fruit wall also produces citrus oil. It is important of the economical uses. So these are the different type of the fruits are there. But here is a fruit characters. The fruit species are berry, also asperidium, a small secondary fruit of the navel presence in a style and fruit composed of the pericarp, endocarp, also exocarp. The three carps are there. Then peel as a two distinct of the layer, colored portion of the endocarp. It is a one very important. This is also completed, but here is also the it is a one important of the plant or economically the citrus is a citrus limitudus. It is a useful fever and also jaundice oil also obtained from the wall. Then also citrus is a lemon. It is a panther namely the juice is also ripe fruit. It's a useful in a rheumatism. Also got dysenteries. The eagle also manmoles. This is a normally edible. The fruit is a particularly useful in a stomach disorders. Also, the plant is a commonly holy in leaves, usually a worshipping of the god Shiva. This one, married eagle is a marmilas. Then also, then Pyrenea, Limelonia. These fruits are so edible leaf and also bark used also medicinally important. This is a gang characters of the then medicinal value of the foods. The citrus is not only edible, but it can provide the vitamins are most important vitamin C, also called ascorbic acid. Then Barzoma betulia also produces a bunch from its leaves, which is a useful in urinary disease. The leaves of the citrus. Then also then the Pilocarpus, the microphilus, the active principles is a the it is a pilocarpine which causes of the contraction of the pulpal. Uh, then it is a just opposite the atropine. Also, jadborin is prepared from the leaflets of this plant. Then Muria conia, it is a several medicinal properties. The green leaf is a eaten raw, is a dysentery, while bark and roots are also useful in bites of poisonous enemas. When also applied Then also extremely the leaves is also used for the curry powder, particularly by the South Indians. It is a medicinal value of the plant, but this is ornamental, also called a miscellaneous plant. The plant like a ruta, lavingula, scandis. It is also platia, caldulimus, also limonia, muria are cultivated the garden for their fragrant flowers. Then also Xanthosxylum papidum gives a Japan pepper, which is a ruta gravelus, gives rich or French in a rutia. Then primitive characters. The plants are mostly trees. It is a more attractive than also ornamental important plants. Flowers are hermaphrodite. Then hypogynous, actinomorphic and scented. Then corolla is also free. It is a, then stamens are many. This is also one character of the brain, but this is a only single thing of the few type of the brains. How many plants have these families? What are the importance? All plants we have prepared in a table like that is called this one. So what are the scientific name, common name, and economic importance? The out of the 30 plants are collected from this family and prepare this one citrus lemon, fruit juice, and vitamins. Then citrus sinensis, citrus aurantium, then citrus reticulata, citrus aurantium, citrus maximum, citrus paradis, citrus medica, citrus jambi, then citrus are ichanginis, which are all is also called a common names are there. But this one is economic important. All fruits, then citrus genera, which are majorly fruits, fruit juice, essential oils. It is also called C vitamins are high present. That is 10 plants are there, but then second point, then up to 10 to say 20 plants are there. These are scientific name, common name, economic importance. Each one, the Muriconiga, Ruta gravilis, Xanthosxylum, Eagle marvelous, Ferunia, Liminola, Dictanthus albulus. So also Classinus annuus, Classius also Exavinda, then Toditia, Acetica, Xanthosxylum americanum. This is a common names and economic values. This is each brand which can declare or explain in a separate box in income or economic value, and also common names are separated. But this is also up to 30 plants are there. Then 21 to 30. Then also Glycomis, Pentaphylla, orange berry, edible berries, ornamental, Muria paniculata, orange jasmine, ornamental hedge. Then Xanthomanus pilpi, Japanese pepper. Then Xanthosxylum figure, whale time. Then Pelas trifolia, hop tree, citrus ape. These are citrus mercantia, also Climia, pulmia. Also, these are all is also most important family of 30 important family plants are which we are explained this point. Then this is a also floral diagrams. So what are the important of filling the blanks? We are separated. The root is commonly known as a family citrus. Then the leaves, the rutaceae are usually dash, the gland dotted. Then the type of the inflorescence commonly found in a rutaceae is a cymus. The flowers of rutaceae are usually either bisexual and actinomorphic. The floral form of rutaceae is this one. The in rutaceae ovary is a dash, and in the multilacular and superior ovary. The fruit of citrus species is called a Hesperidium. The plant Muria coniae is commonly known as a curry leaf. Eagle marmellus is also called a beet. Xanthosxylum armatum is also known as a medicinal properties. It's also 10 important uses of the economical, but the the placenta in rutaceae is axial placentation. The calyx is a root which consists of the 4 or 5 sepals. Then the carpels are 4 or 5. The number of stamens in a 8 to 10. The family Rutaceae belongs to the Sapindalis order. Then the essential oils of the Rutaceae are ordered in a oily glands. The citrus synthesis is commonly known as sweet orange. Then citrus lemon in the scientific name of the lemon. The citrus orange, there are a lime. The citrus medico is known as a citron. This is important of the next last one. The wood apple also belongs to the species are Ferunia, Limonia. Ruta gravilis is used traditionally medicine. Then also called a classina ansis or a strong spicy aroma. The fruit type of spadum is a modified berry. The root is a plant is rich in dash, then flavonoid components. The petals in the root is are dash, polypetalous. Then so dictonus, also alblas, also called the burning bush. The rutaceae are stamens are often arranged in two whorls. The glycosymis pentaphylla is a commonly known as a orange berry. The ovary in rutaceae is a dash superior ovary. So this is also bits of the 30 bits are there. So this is also complete of the our topic, which is Citraceae family or Rutaceae family members. So next class, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, you covered most of the important bullet points regarding of all competitive exams. Now, it is purely academic. At the same time, in the competitive exams also, definitely from the classification of the family about the one of the type study in citrus or the citrus family. At the same time, the morphological character features like vegetative and floral character features, and also floral formula and floral diagram. Finally, you are completely give the idea in tabular form of the economic importance plants. Most of the economic plants in Rutaceae, they are the most valuable, edible, at the same time medicinal properties, and also highly content, C vitamin content fruits are available in this family. So that's why it is called a citrus family. Citrus orange folium, citrus different citrus species we are discussed here. At the same time, the other plants also we are discussed here. So that's why at the same time, you are given the most important bits regarding of this family. So it is very helpful to all the competitive aspirants. So thank you very much, sir. So tomorrow we will meet same time. Thank you, sir.